Meet Neha, a bright student who loved speaking English, but every time she spoke, people corrected her. You spoke, he don't like tea. It should be, he doesn't like tea. Not, I didn't went. It's, I didn't go. Neha was frustrated. She studied, practiced, but these tiny grammar mistakes keep following her like shadows. One night, feeling helpless, she whispered, I wish I could just see my mistakes. Suddenly, the mirror in the room glowed softly, and Neha found herself pulled into a magical world. The grammar mirror world. Neha opened her eyes and saw a place filled with floating worlds, grammar books, and signs that read, Fix me. She walked into a grand hall where a shimmering figure appeared. Professor Syntax, the guardian of the grammar mirror. He said, Welcome, Neha. You are here because you are ready to learn from your mistakes, not fear them. Neha followed him as he showed her 6 golden mirrors, each revealing a common grammar mistakes and how to fix it. First, subject verb agreement. She saw herself saying, He don't like cricket. The mirror glowed and corrected her. He doesn't like cricket. Professor Syntax. Singular subjects need singular verbs. Always say he doesn't, not he don't. Got it? Neha nodded. Mirror 2. Wrong verb forms. Another image played. I didn't went to school. The mirror shimmered and said, I didn't go to school. Professor Syntax. When using did, always follow with the base verb, not went, just go. Mirror 3. Confusing tenses. She saw herself saying, I am not here since 2020. Corrected mirror version. I have been working here since 2020 or 2020. Professor Syntax says, when an action started in the past and is still going on, use have, has, been plus verb ing. Neha whispered, so it's not just an am, it's have been. Mirror 4. Misusing articles. Next mirror showed, she is teacher. The mirror replied, she is a teacher. Professor Syntax explains, always use a or an before singular countable nouns. Never say she is teacher. Say she is a teacher. And mirror 5th. Using much and many incorrectly. Neha saw herself say, I have much friends. Mirror explains, I have many friends. Professor Syntax. Much is for uncountable things like water, money, and many for countable things like friends, books, etc. In the mirror 6. Double negatives. Final mirror showed I don't know nothing, corrected and said I don't know anything. Professor Syntax explains double negatives cancel each other. Use only one negative word. Say, I don't know anything, not nothing. Now come back to the reality. The mirrors faded, the grammar mirror closed. Neha opened her eyes. Back in her room. But now she had something magical, clarity. From that day on, she started correcting herself one sentence at a time. She would pause and think, am I using the right verb? Does this need an article? Is this tense matching the time? Her confidence grew. Her sentences got sharper, and people started saying, wow, Neha, your English has really improved. And Neha to the camera. I didn't go to some expensive school. I just looked into the grammar mirror. And now I speak better because I learned from my mistakes. So final takeaways for you guys to avoid grammar mistakes is think before you speak. Learn from corrections. Don't fear them. Practice short sentences first. Listen to English shows and repeat after them. Read aloud and self-correct using grammar apps or tutors. So that's it for now. If you really want to practice English with me, go to the description box for the contact. And if you really like this in the story form, so don't forget to like, subscribe and share with those who really want to learn this language like you. Thank you.